it's recording, Angry. He is no-showing right now. It is currently 11:43. I sent him several invites before, but my gift card wasn't turning on. His gamer tag is strict. I don't know. Uh-oh. Maybe he'll come, maybe he won't. No, it's because... Oh! I accidentally left. Put me back on your team. Where'd you kick me? Oh. You're still in exhibition there, little stricted boy. And the bigs too. I wonder what he's doing. Hey, kick this guy, Angry. Angry, kick these guys! Angry, kick them! He sent me a message back after I told him he forfeited in 1 minute. He said, cool. A middle cap card and something, dude. Chill out. Okay, I don't know what Strick's doing. Alright, I think it's enough proof. It's already 11:46 Angry. Is that good? Okay, oh, there's a forfeit, bud.